Hello, I'm going to show you how to get started using Class Dojo. To begin, I'll go to the top of my screen and type in Class Dojo. I'm going to click on the top one, classdojo.com. On the right-hand screen, I'm already signed in because I have this app already. I'm connected to my school, so you'll see St. Elmo Elementary School, which is where I teach. I'm going to show you a demo class that I have set up. I also have my class currently that I'm using, but because my students' names are in that one, I'm not going to show you that one. I'll come over here to demo class. As you can see, I have Cameron Diaz, Hugh Jackman, Johnny Depp, and Matthew Damon. There are several things that I can do in the classroom setting of Class Dojo. On the bottom hand, I can access my toolkit. I can take attendance. If it's in red, it means they are not here. When my students come in, they click it until it turns green, and that lets me know quickly and easily who is here and who is not here. Once I'm done, I'll save my attendance for the day. Everyone's here. I can also click random. So, it selected Matthew Damon. There are points that I can give Matthew if he is helping others, if he's on task, if he's participating, if he's showing persistence, if he's showing teamwork, and if he's working hard. These points are automatically on Class Dojo. You can change these, you can delete these. You can also come up here to needs work. If this student is bullying, you can take a point. If they're being disrespectful, if they didn't do their homework, if they're not on task, if they're talking out of turn or unprepared, you can take points away. So I'm going to take a point away just to show you what that looks like. So now you can see that Matt has -1 points. If I click on him again and he's on task, I can give him a point. And now he's back in the normal range. He's not in a negative point. His class point went up. There's also a section called portfolios. In this section, students can share their classwork. I can also access my class story. I can add pictures, I can add files, I can add cards for parents to see that are connected to our classroom. Over here where it says messages, I can see whose parents are connected and whose parents are not. If they are connected, I can send a message through this website to that parent. I'm going to go back to my class. Back to the bottom. Down here, there's also a timer that you can set for your students to see and keep track of. There's a button called Big Ideas. On Big Ideas, this is just social and emotional learning. There's growth mindset, there's perseverance, there's empathy, there's mindfulness and gratitude. These are all lessons that you can do with your class. I can also come over here to student accounts. Students are allowed to set up their own account. Through their student account, they can change how their monster looks. They can even add a picture of themselves. Through Class Dojo, I can also create a group. So if I wanted to create a group, say I wanted to have table points, I would add a group. So let's say Cameron and Hugh are at the same table. I would name their group, and then I would create it. So this way, under groups, I have my group name, and I know that Cameron and Hugh are in the same group. So if their group is on task and doing the right thing, that I can go in and give them a point. I'm going to log out over here. If you do not already have an account and you need to set one up, you can come to sign up. Teachers can create accounts, parents can create accounts, students can create an account, and school leaders can create an account. Like I said, I already have an account because I'm currently using this in my classroom. So I don't need to create a new account. All I would do was go to log in. Because I'm a teacher, I would press teacher. All my information is already there. So log in. And this takes me back to this main page. I hope you learned some new information and are excited to use Class Dojo. Thank you.